Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple and easy cut crease. This is going to be like a smoky eye cut crease. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching.
First, you're going to need a base. You can use an eyeshadow base or a concealer. I like to use a concealer, and if you want to use a concealer, make sure to go in with a little bit so it doesn't crease. Now you can use a brush and a beauty blender, and as you can see, I'm using a beauty blender to further blend it out so that it doesn't crease. The next, I'm going to use all these colors to create the eye crease. I'm using the orange color as the transition because it's the color that is closer to my skin, and orange really looks good on my skin tone. Next, I'm going in with the green color as the main shade, and I'm applying it directly on my crease. And also remember to take your time with the blending process to bring the colors together, erase any fine lines and creasing. I'm also focusing the green color on my eye crease and trying not to reach my brow bone. I'm also using an eyeshadow fluffy brush to blend the both colors. I went back with the brush I used to apply the orange color to blend above my crease and brow bone to erase any harsh lines. Next, for cutting my crease, I'm using a thick concealer. The easy way to cut your crease, place your concealer on your eyelid or right above your upper lash line, and then open your eyes wide, looking upward. It will automatically transfer to your eye crease. I'm going to explain to you all how to find your eye crease after I finish this part, so keep on watching. Once it has transferred, start filling in from your eyelid to where your eye crease stops. When filling in your concealer, continuously look upwards so it transfers even more. This will make it easy to create the cut crease. To further get this step correctly, place the concealer on the inner part of your eyelid and then look upward again so it connects to your crease. Once this is done, draw your crease properly by gently tapping on the lines that are already created to get your cut crease. To find your eye crease, use your finger and touch the area just above your eyelid and right at your eye socket. The bone you feel above your eyeball is generally where your crease should fall. Next, I'm using a neutral eyeshadow instead of a powder to set the concealer, and I waited for the concealer to dry up a little bit before using this. Now, to fill in my cut crease, I'm using a yellow color at the inner corner of my eyes first. I want to create a smoky cut crease but still make it colorful. And I'm using a flat fluffy brush to apply it. This is the best brush to use if you want more pigment. Next, I'm going in with a pink color and I'm applying it after the yellow color on the center of my eyelid to my crease. I'm going back with the same green color and I'm applying it out the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going from like the light colors to the dark colors to make the whole look balanced. I'm also dragging the green color all over my eye crease to bring back the color in that area. To further darken the outer corner of my eyes, I'm using both the black and purple color together and I'm gently placing it on the outer corner of my eyes. I will further apply the green, pink and yellow colors until I am satisfied with the coverage. Then I used a different brush to blend out any harsh lines. Next, I applied a golden yellow and a dark green shimmers directly on my eye crease. This is optional, you don't have to do it. To make this eye look come out neat, I'm using a concealer closer to my skin to clean the edges. I will best advise you use a concealer that is same shade as your skin, and you can use the brush for concealing your brow to do this. Next, I'm going to use a gel liner right above my upper eyelash line, and this is just to make the look more smoky. Now that I'm done creating the eye crease look, just to finish the look, to balance everything, I'm going to apply the eyeshadows on my lower eyelid, and I'm going in with the orange color first and I'm just applying it all over my lower eyelid. And then next I'm going to go in with the orange color and I'm going to apply it close to my waterline and at the outer corner of my lower eyelid. Next, I'm lining my eye with a black eyeliner. I love to use black eyeliner, and since I'm creating a smoky eye look, so it's best to use a black liner. If you feel it's too dark for you, you can go in with a dark brown eyeliner and it will work.
So guys, this is the final look. This is what it is looking like. This is like a smoky, colorful eye crease look, and it is very easy to do, though it will take time because I used like, I guess, 3 to 4 colors. Yeah, I think up to 5 colors. I use up to 5 colors, but it will take time for you to create this look, but it is not hard. The main part of it is coating your crease. And also when you're doing an eye look and eyes are heavy, if you're going for like a smoky eye look, or the colors are kind of a heavy color, make sure your lips look simple. Make sure to go with a very neutral nude lip so it balances the whole look so you don't end up looking weird. Yes. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.